Hey there, gorgeous, and a very happy drugstore December to you. If you've not heard, every video coming out this entire month has a drugstore theme, and I'm publishing videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, possibly Thursdays, depending on how time permits. So if you'd like to be notified of new content all month long, please subscribe, and thank you if you do. In today's video, I'm sharing my top favorite hair products that I discovered in 2021. So yeah, let's get into it. We'll start off the video by talking about hair color because it is one of the biggest questions I get asked about when it comes to my hair. I usually will look for a reddish blonde color. That's always been my go-to shade. And I find it in a great box brand and then it gets discontinued. And this has been my life for like the past 3 years. I find it and then it gets discontinued. And I was really loving L'Oreal's Copper Penny, I think that's what it was called, for a while, and then I couldn't find it. So I was again sent on a hunt this year to find a new shade. But I discovered one I really love, and this is from Clairol. It's part of their Nice and Easy line. It's the one numbered 8R medium reddish blonde, and it's perfect. It's the perfect mixture of red with blonde. It's got some of those copper tones to it, and that has been my go-to shade, and I'm really hoping they don't discontinue this one either because it's really hard to find. And I love the formula with this one too, by the way. I haven't found it to be drying. I was using the Schwarzkopf brand a couple years ago and I had to stop using it because it started to dry my hair out so badly, but I haven't encountered any issues with the Clairol brand, so I've been really happy with it. Let's hope that it stays available. All right. The next product I wanted to share with you is one I discovered very recently, and this is Boldplex. It's called Bond Restore Treatment. It's basically a hair mask. Although it does say on the label, it says don't confuse it for a mask or a conditioner. It's much more than that. It's an intense restorative hair miracle that seeks out and repairs broken, disulfide bonds that make up your hair. Well, okay. If we're going to get technical here. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. Overall, let me tell you, this stuff is amazing. And you're supposed to put it on, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and your hair is literally transformed. They do tell you you can also put this on your hair and wear it overnight. I have done that. I've had amazing results with having done that. You do want to shampoo and conditioner, by the way, after having put this in your hair. So the way that you do it is you shampoo, condition, put this in your hair, leave it on for however long you want it on. And then when you go to rinse it out, you want to shampoo and condition again. But my goodness, your hair feels like silk after having used this stuff. It's wonderful. And I've heard it being compared to the Olaplex brand. I have not tried that one, but for those who have heard others raving about Olaplex, this is an excellent dupe that is a lot less expensive when you look at how much you get for the money, and absolutely worth looking into. I found it on Amazon. I'm not sure where else you could find it, but if you're looking for something to help restore your hair, you would love that. Another product I discovered on Amazon this past year that really helped me after having my kids. Every time I would have a child, I noticed that my hair would go through this cycle of, falling out, and I'd get thinning, and I really struggled postpartum speaking. And after Ace, it was a lot longer of a struggle compared to Jet and Gia, where I had thinning up here and I was noticing a lot more hair fallout, and my hair was really struggling. And so I went online to try and find something that would help to regrow the hair. And this product was really highly reviewed on Amazon, so I gave it a try, and I have to tell you, I agree with the reviews. I used it for about 4 months in the beginning of 2021, and all it is basically, let me read the ingredients to you here. It's biotin, caffeine, castor oil, which castor oil is known for helping to regrow hair. It's got a bunch of different oils in it. Yeah, but that's basically it. And I'm telling you, miracle stuff. Absolutely loved it. So if you are looking for an oil that actually works, I think you would really enjoy this one. I have noticed significant thickness that has been added to my hair just by using this oil. Now, I think that you can also use it on your eyebrows. So if you have thinning eyebrows, it might be good to use there too, but definitely worth looking into. I also noticed with using that oil that my hair was falling less. And you know what I'm talking about. When you wash your hair, how much hair is in the drain, or when you use a brush, how much hair is in the brush, or even just every day running your fingers through your hair and then you're getting hair. I just got one out here. You're getting hair that just comes off the ends. There was a lot less of that happening when I was using the oil. Now, I'm not using it as much anymore because I feel like it did its purpose and I really don't need to, but it was awesome. So, okay, the next product I have to share with you is from ESPA. This is their Pink Hair and Scalp Mud. This is what it says on the back. It's an intensive, mineral-rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave hair soft and smooth and the scalp nourished. And this is a little bit like that Boldplex product I talked about previously. It's a hair mask, and I've been having a lot of dryness, particularly right here on the back of my scalp. I'm not really sure why. So I started using this over that to help give it some restorative properties and make it just feel better. And it really has been helping. And the way that I've been using it is I'll apply it on my scalp. I'll apply it in the hair. I'll let it sit for about 30 minutes. I have let it sit overnight on my hair. And then it's like the Boldplex where after you rinse this out, you have to shampoo and condition or you'll have really greasy hair the next day. But it is miracle stuff. And I've absolutely loved this one too. It's really helped with the irritation that I was getting on the nape of my neck too. Another product I discovered in 2021 is this hair, what do you call this thing? Cap. There you go. Mom brain. I can think of 500 things I have to do right now, but I cannot remember the name of this product. This is from Silk London, and it's basically a silk cap for sleeping at night. And this helps to reduce breakage in the hair. It keeps your hair from gripping, especially on cotton pillowcases. Cotton pillowcases are really not good for your hair and they can create frizziness. And I've noticed such a difference in my hair after having worn this at night. And it's really comfortable to sleep in too. So I really have enjoyed this discovery. Now, speaking of things for the hair, I also discovered this hair towel at CVS this past year. I was using the Turby Twist towels after washing my hair, but what I was noticing with those was that my hair would dry too quickly and they wouldn't stay on my head. And so it was really hard to put a treatment in my hair like overnight, like the Boldplex or the ESPA, and expect the towel to be there when I woke up in the morning. So I was looking for a little bit of a different solution, and I found this this is huge by the way, big black towel. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you the whole thing. That's what it looks like. I just washed my hair, so it's wet right now. But it's ginormous. You can see the length of it there. This is from, I can never remember the name of this company, Hair Repair. And repair is spelt R-E-P-E-A-R, like the fruit. And what I loved about this towel, it's got a different, what do you want to call it, fabric to it compared to the Turby Twist towels. It's not microfiber, but it's cotton. I think it's just cotton. Yes, that's right, because that's what I loved about it, is that it's like a cotton t-shirt and it does not absorb the water out of your hair too quickly. And the best part is, because of how big it is, it stays on your head. And especially if you have long hair, you know with the Turby Twist towels how hard it can be to keep them on your head when you have long hair, and how, you know, sometimes all my hair wouldn't even get into the Turby Twist, but with this one, it gets all of my hair in there. It has a little, what do you call this thing? Like a hook right there on the towel. So you wrap it around your head and then you tuck the end in right there. And it's so comfortable to wear, by the way. You can sleep in it with no issues. Like I said, it's not going to fall off your head. It's great for putting over the top of mask treatments that you want to wear overnight. And I have thoroughly loved this towel. So if that describes you and you have been looking for a new hair towel, you would absolutely love this one. Hair Repair. Okay, what else did I want to talk about? A lot of questions come in about what I use when I make my hair curly like this. And I'm still using the same product that I discovered last year, and that was the one from Can 2. And this is a curling cream. That's really all it is. And I put it in my hair. I don't use much of it. I want to say maybe like that much of it. Put it in the hair, and I will usually use a diffuser to dry it. And that's pretty much it. And what I loved about this particular product is that it is sulfate free. It didn't have parabens, no silicones. I mean, no propylene glycol. To me, it's been a wonderful product. It has not damaged my hair. It hasn't made my hair feel dried out. I'm almost finished with my bottle here. I don't need to use much each time, which is why it's taken me so long to go through it. And I believe it's only about either $5 or $6 for this. And when I run out, I'm going to get some more because it's really fabulous stuff. And that's pretty much it. Those are all the products that I discovered for my hair this past year that I fell madly in love with and have been using consistently since discovering them. So let me know if you have a favorite that you discovered this past year for your hair that has completely changed your hair game. If you are interested in any of the products I shared with you here today, I'll try to have all of them listed and linked for you below in the description box. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch. I look forward to seeing you for another video very soon in Drugstore December.